Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JB with JB's BBQ and Guns, and today I'm gonna show y'all how to make a Texas style barbecue sauce. Alright, the first thing you want to do is take you about 2 tablespoons of butter and get it real melted down in the pot as such. Just let it get good and melted in there before you start adding other stuff. Alright, the next thing you want to do, you want to add a half of a white onion or whatever kind of onion that you choose. You can use red if you want to, but I like to use white, so just use half a white onion in there. Looks about right. Get that all stirred up. Okay, now that we got our onions good and translucent, I want y'all to see how that looks in there. If y'all can see, good and translucent, good and soft in there. Now what we want to do is add in 1 cup of ketchup. Try to get that all in there. I'm going to stir that up a little bit so we can get it all in there. Good Texas style barbecue sauce, nice and simple. Usually I do a Carolina style barbecue sauce because my roots also run deep throughout the Carolinas. So I usually do a Carolina barbecue sauce. But for this episode, I'm going to do a nice Texas style barbecue sauce leading up to the meatloaf, the smoked meatloaf that I'm going to do on Saturday. Let's add in our half a cup of brown sugar. Alright, next what we're going to do, I chopped up 2 cloves of garlic and we're going to go ahead and dump that in there. About a teaspoon or so of Worcestershire sauce. You can eyeball it, doesn't really matter. Tablespoon of lemon. Usually I use fresh squeezed lemon, but I don't have a real lemon today, so this will do right here. Is the same thing. Add in that, get that all stirred around. Tablespoonful of regular yellow mustard. That looks good. Give that a stir. 2 tablespoons full of chili powder. Let's go ahead and get that stirred in. Now what we want to do is add in about a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. That looks good. About a tablespoon or so of kosher salt, and about a tablespoon or so of just regular black pepper. And if you want more heat to it, you can add some cayenne pepper, if you will. You don't necessarily have to. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to let this come up to a boil, and then we're going to simmer it for about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll come back and show y'all how it looks. But I want to show y'all how it looks right now before we break off. That's how it kind of looks right now. You can see all the spices in it. So we'll let this simmer for about 15-20 minutes, then we'll come back. Alright everybody, I let it simmer for about 20 minutes, and as you can see, now it's got that rich, deep mahogany color, real nice looking. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it cool off, and then I'm going to strain it into one of my containers, and I'm going to let it sit, and I'm going to use it on Saturday when I present y'all with the meatloaf video. Alright everybody, this is the final product, and if you look in the bottle, you can still see all of those spices in there. I'll open it up so you can see what it kind of looks like on the inside. See all those spices in there. I don't want to tilt it too much to spill it, but it's a good, simple Texas barbecue sauce. So this is your boy JB with JB's BBQ and Guns, saying y'all be easy. Peace.